Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to copy an account link on Instagram. This is a useful skill for sharing profiles with friends or promoting interesting accounts. Let's get right into the steps. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Next, navigate to the desired account you want to copy the link for. You can do this by searching for the username or finding it through your feed. Step 3. Once you're on the profile page, look for the 3 dots located at the top right corner. This will open a menu with various options. Step 4. In the menu that appears, tap Share this profile. This will give you the option to copy the account link. And just like that, you've successfully copied an account link on Instagram. Now you can easily share this link via messages, post it on your story, or share it on other social media platforms. This is a great way to connect with others and highlight profiles you find interesting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.